Hello everyone, today we're going to make hamburger casserole. This is a recipe that was my grandmother's favorite to fix on Sunday after church for the whole crew to come by and eat. Brown your ground beef or ground chuck. I used about a pound. Now I'm going to add a chopped onion, and it was only a portion of an onion. Now we're going to stir and simmer just for a little bit. I'm adding 1 can of whole kernel corn. We're going to give this a stir. Then I'm going to cover it and simmer it for 5 to 10 minutes. I did drain most of the juice out of the corn, left just a little bit. I'm just going to check on this and give it a good stir. Cover it back up, and then again continue in my 5 to 10 minutes. I moved over to this bowl, and I'm going to mix this Jiffy cornmeal mix as the box instructs. We would like to thank you for allowing us to share on this channel. We've really enjoyed it, and we appreciate all of our watchers. If you've not taken a moment to subscribe to our channel, we ask that you please do. We'll definitely continue to share easy recipes, delicious recipes, and other how-to items. Again, we just appreciate you. All right, the cornbread's just about mixed up. And now we're going to check on our meat mixture. This looks perfect. So now we're ready to add our kidney beans. You can use light or dark, and I used a full can. Again, I drained out most of the juice, left just a little bit. Next, you're going to add your tomatoes. You can add stewed tomatoes or whatever you have in the pantry. I had these diced tomatoes, and I added the Rotel as well to add that spice. Now we're going to add some salt and regular black pepper. Right now I'm going to add my chili powder. I'm going to stir this, and then I'm just going to heat it through, just maybe 5 minutes. All right, now grab your 9x13 pan or your casserole dish, and you're going to pour your meat mixture in the pan. Okay, so we're going to get our cornbread mix, and we're going to top it with the cornbread mix. This is actually kind of hard to smooth out, but I'm going to do the best I can. Next, we're going to bake it as the cornbread box instructs. Hope you enjoyed this one dish meal. I know the family will.